crypto, 야당 이거 trash VIP 지켜주고 street style.
Hello and welcome to Crypto Capital. My name is Roshan and today we'll be talking about a unique crypto metaverse project which is, I think, flying under the radar and could potentially do huge progress in the near future and can be one of the biggest players in the metaverse itself. So I know it has been a while since we talked about the last videos. The crypto dipped a little bit. I took a little bit break to do personal things, but we are back to it. So the project I'm going to be talking about is called REALY. It's called REALY Metaverse. What REALY is basically a street culture metaverse where you can host concerts, do a bunch of different style patterns, have fashion shows, anything which includes in the fashion industry, and you can actually buy and own things and trade things, and it's basically a marketplace as well for trading NFTs in the fashion industry itself. So why did I choose this project? We all know there has been multiple hundreds of different metaverse projects which are right now built on either hype or actually creating value, but there's still very few of them which actually are going to be existing in the next 4 to 5 years or after the bear market. And the reason I am really interested in this project is because it just came out within a week ago. It got released publicly where you can trade this, and it has been building. They have been building this for a long period of time. The reason I think it's very under the radar is, let's start with looking at the investors. So REALY is a token which actually came out to be trading recently. It's built on Solana itself, and their investors include Multi-Coin Capital, 3 Arrows Capital, and Alameda Research, along with OKX Blockstream Ventures. Alameda Research and 3 Arrows Capital itself are huge crypto funds, fund management companies, which usually don't put interest in companies they are not feeling confident about, which will succeed in the near future. And along with that, they actually have a very strong background in the metaverse space or the fashion industry space itself. So let's talk about what the token is and how much the value of the token is right now, and then we'll go further into why I think this can potentially be a leader in the market. So right now the token is trading at $22.55. The total supply of this token is actually 100 million coins. The token was released, I think, a week ago at about $8 publicly, where you could have bought it in a private sale, or you could have got this from an airdrop by being an ambassador, which was 200 tokens for free, which is now worth $4,000. So you could have got $4 grand worth of tokens for free if you're an ambassador in their ecosystem as well. So let's look at the total circulating supply right now. So if you go to the website and if you click on the white paper, then it'll give you an outlook of what the circulating supply is right now, and also let you understand what they're exactly trying to build. Right now, their only circulating supply is less than 1 million tokens, or about 1 million tokens. And even by September 2022, there will only be a 20 million circulating supply, which puts them at $400 million market cap in September 2022 if they stay at the same price. So potentially, I feel that because it has such a slow release from now until next year, this can potentially gauge a huge amount of value itself on the token price. Along with that, it can give it a huge reason of why this can succeed if Bitcoin recovers here in the next few months and we continue in this bull market. So they are planning to release their launch of the first virtual city beta product in the Q1 of 2022, along with virtual stores and art museums where you can actually present virtual art, buy and sell different things, you can host concert in the metaverse. So a lot more use case along with the token itself. And along with that, let's dig deep a little bit more about who are promoting this project. So Facebook actually just mentioned them in a tweet very quietly, or I guess very hiddenly, where they said they're going to change the fashion game in the metaverse. This could prove a bunch of different things, and of course everything we know is just gonna be our own anticipation, our own guesstimation. But I think that means Facebook is definitely interested in what they're going to build. or maybe even have some monetary interest in the project itself, or if not, they know exactly what they're trying to do and they've seen the product itself beforehand. So that is very big for Facebook to promote indirectly any crypto project, and that too this project is very, very crazy and very rare. So I did a little bit more research and tried to find some more details about them. So one more thing which stuck up to me is their founder, George Yang, was also the co-founder of Intersect, which was a streetwear platform backed by Edison Chen's designer brand, founded in 2016. And he expanded the sales of that company to more than $30 million just from toy collectibles and designer brands. And that's a huge amount in the fashion industry. So looks like the founder has a good amount of interest and experience in the fashion streetwear industry. Along with that, they also actually used to have a working application, which you cannot find anymore because I found this through a hidden link they forgot to disable. So which made me come to their application. Let me see if I can pull this application. This application is called Real. And Real is a live application which you can use to see, you can buy and sell things on their application itself, which is a bunch of collectibles and designer goods. The only thing which make me feel a little bit more curious is really this metaverse is actually developed by some Chinese founders, and maybe that's one of the reasons they are not that popular yet, especially right now being most of the big crypto projects being founded from the US industry. But I do believe that looking at their, just in general, let's watch a video and that'll give us a little bit glimpse of what they're trying to do.
watch 头的样子像只 black cat。Sorry， 我想走了，拜拜，有空下次再来。到哪里我都要当一个专属 VIP， 这就是我的 street style。Street
style。Anyway, so that's a pretty cool video about what they're kind of trying to show, what they will present. And they also said they're gonna build a virtual city in their platform where you can buy and sell things, make a living in the metaverse, and they're gonna use 3D graphics, which is very high end graphics they're gonna be using. So this makes me really bullish about this project itself. I found another strategy if you guys want to farm and use something called Francium to multiply your potential I guess like earning or potential money you can make from just buying this on their farming platform. So if you go to Francium, which is a Solana yield earning platform, you can actually buy Real from Bybit or from Solana, and then you can farm it at 3200% APY at a 3x leverage, which does include risk, which means your liquidation will be at 33% below, or you can do just no leverage and still get I guess 253%, or you can still do 2x leverage and have 50% liquidation and do 1000% APY. Either way, you can still make money while owning this token every single day, and that's also pretty good value for itself, for the token itself. So that's all I've found so far about this project. I am really bullish upon this. I think it's flying under the radar right now with only being a $22 million market cap. So I have invested a decent amount and I'm anticipating this can give me a huge returns. Of course, do your own research. This video is only for entertainment purposes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you the next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.